Hello there, my name is David Payne. I work for Balerno Village Trust. Balerno is a small community just outside of Edinburgh in Scotland, and I work on sustainable transport. As you can see, Scotland, it's December, there's lots of snow, it's very cold, but we can still go cycling. And I've got chains on my bike. Great to get around. There are other methods. I've even seen people use zip tyres for those who don't have rim brakes, but these you can use with a rim or disc brakes. They work very well, and these are the details here. Difficult to get hold of, but there are other alternatives. You can get studded tyres from local shops. And off we go. So you can still cycle in the bad weather, and what better fun than to drive past lots of cars that are still clogged in the roads. Right now there's no planes going, Heathrow's closed, Gatwick, all the others. Cars can't get out, but you can still cycle. Thank you very much. Happy cycling.